Today we're going to take a look at the various notification options found in BluePoint Security 2010. There is a silent mode which basically puts BluePoint into a mode where it doesn't show any notifications, whether they be for installed applications or threats or anything like that. So if you do encounter a threat while you're in silent mode, BluePoint will silently take care of it. The icon down here will actually change colors. Just to give you a quick demonstration, let's turn on silent mode here, which is found under the main interface under settings, notifications bar, and then display threat notifications. There's a couple other options here that are pretty self-explanatory as far as controlling the threat window or the notification window that comes up. So let's turn off the notifications, which is just simply done by checking that box, and then we'll minimize the software. Now this is actually, I believe it's a keygen that's just found out there on the internet. BluePoint's going to detect that as a threat and take care of it. Let's show you what happens here in silent mode. So the minute I run it, keep an eye on the icon down here. After a couple of seconds we see it turns red for 3 to 5 seconds, and then it goes back to normal, indicating sort of in a silent way that BluePoint is taking care of something. You'll see it turn a slight shade of yellow instead of red if it just blocks something that it doesn't know about that's basically not on our trusted vendor list and not on your rule set. So you do have some notification to know what's going on, but it's pretty subtle. The other great thing about the silent mode for novice computer users, somebody that may not know how to handle some of the more complex questions that BluePoint may ask when you run software, sometimes it'll give you that allow and deny. In silent mode you won't see those. So what that means is BluePoint Security is going to default to the decisions that we feel are best to protect you while still staying out of your way as much as we can. So for instance, we can install Java. I won't run through the whole installer here, but if you double click Java, you'll see that it comes up, and of course I can install Java and do what I need to do here from within silent mode. So it doesn't get much better than that. You're completely locked down to a known trusted vendor list. You're protected by our malware engine, and you have your own rule set, which you can watch under our rule set video. We explain how that works. So you're basically completely locked down except for known trusted software. So very, very difficult for even an average user to infect themselves when BluePoint is set up in this manner. So that pretty much covers the silent mode. The other mode, which is selectable by the way when you install the software, there's a checkbox when you first install it, and it asks you, do you want to show notifications or do you want silent mode? That option just simply controls this checkbox right here. So if you do install it in silent mode or in notification mode, you can simply change that option anytime you want here. I generally recommend non-techie computer users to basically run it in silent mode. That way BluePoint makes all the decisions for you essentially. It's a much better way to protect yourself that way. So that pretty much covers silent mode for today. Thanks for watching.